Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on iOS 26. To change the ringtone, go to the settings, then you'll find Sounds and Haptics. And all you need to do now is find ringtone, then set it to whichever one you like. I'm gonna turn the volume up to actually hear the preview. And once you select your favorite one, it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.